Yes, sir.
Okay, let us start our session. Are you able to see the screen? Exercise
Yes, sir.
8.2. Is it visible or you have to make it bigger?
No, sir. It's visible, sir.
Okay. Now, what you have to do is, let us try to finish exercise 8.2 today.
Okay, sir.
Whatever we are not able to finish, you can do as homework. Only 8 sums, very small sums. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday we did coefficient of
Variation, sir.
variance, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
these are very simple sums based on that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let us start the first sum. Okay. Okay. We are starting the first sum. Okay. The standard deviation and mean of a data are 6.5 and 12.5 respectively. Okay. Now we are going to do exercise 8.2, sum number 1. Correct.
Yes,
The
sir.
standard deviation is 6.5 and mean is 12.5 respectively. Find the coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is equal to sigma by x bar into 100%. Okay, very simple. So substitute the values 6.5, substitute values 12.5 into 100. That is will be your CV. Can you use calculator? Do you have calculator? 6.5 divided by 12.5
1 minute, sir.
or 6,500 you can say. 6,000, 6.5 or 650, that means 6.5 into 100 is 650 divided by 12.5 is 52. So the coefficient of variation is 52%. Okay, this is first sum. Let us now do 8.2 second sum. Very simple, no? Very easy to do this. Okay, straightforward sum. Now slide twister given. Okay. Now
Okay.
it's telling standard deviation is given as 1.2. Coefficient of variation is given as 25.6%. Then what is x bar? So same formula you write. Coefficient of variation is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. Okay. This is 25.6 is equal to sigma is equal to 1.2 by x bar. Take x bar this side, take this side. X bar equal to 1.2 divided by 25.6. Okay. Into 100. X bar gone this side and sigma remains 1.2 and this one CV comes this side. Now you have to do that is equal to 120 by 25.6. How much is 120 divided by 25.6? Do you have a calculator?
Yes, sir.
That's sum. 120 divided by 25.6.
It's coming 4.68, sir.
Very good. 4.68, 7 is coming, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
make it 4.69 then.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what you have found out now, mean x bar. So this, you should not put percentage here. Should not put that. This is mean x bar. Okay, second sum also. Let us copy paste this in your WhatsApp first. Two sums you have done. Today class will be slightly easy. Coefficient of variation is easy once you understand getting standard deviation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now let us go to third sum. We'll finish this and we'll take a break today. We'll just have an easier class. Let us do third sum. Third sum now. If the mean of a data is 15, then it's telling CV is equal to 48%. Find the value of standard deviation. What is sigma is asking. Okay. Again, we have to write CV is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. So 48 is equal to sigma by 15 into 100. You take this the other side. 15 into 48. You take this here. Divided by 100 is equal to sigma. How much is 15 into 48? Your calculator, can you do?
15 to 48, 720, sir.
Yes, 720. 720 by 100 is equal to sigma. That is equal to 7.2. That's all. Huh? Very easy. Sigma is equal to 7.2. See how easy the sums are.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you get the coefficient of variation sums, find the CV. Okay. You attempt them. Only important thing is all the time you should make sure that the into 100 is coming in the right place. Okay. Without putting that into 100, then you will become wrong. Let us do this also. Today we'll take it easy, Saturday evening, all of that. We'll just finish this exercise and we'll wrap it up. Hopefully no homework will come. We can do all of it. Third sum is done. Now let's do the fourth sum. Exercise 8.2, fourth sum. Okay. N is equal to 5. This is slightly more steps are involved. X bar is given as 6. Sigma x squared is given as 765. What is not given? Standard deviation is not given. Okay. Standard deviation is not given, but he is asking to find the CV. So that means using this data, you have to find the standard deviation, all these data. Can we find using all this data standard deviation? Yes, we can find. You know why? Because standard deviation is equal to sigma xi squared by n minus sigma xi by n, the whole squared, the whole root. Sigma xi squared is given how much? 765. N is given how much? 5.
Okay.
Then sigma xi by n is what? This is only x bar.
6, sir.
Okay, so sigma xi by n, that is only x bar. So what you have to do? It is given as 6 the whole square root down. Okay, can you find out 765 by 5? How much is that?
765 divided by 5, sir. 153.
Okay, 153
Okay, sir.
minus 6 squared. How much is 6 into 6?
6 into 6, 36, sir.
36. So 153 minus 36 we need to do. That is equal to 117. So find the root of 117. You will get sigma.
Coming 10.81, sir.
10.81.
81.
Okay. I think 10.816 is coming. So you can take it as 10.816. Now you have to use the formula. Now you got sigma. You can use coefficient of variation is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. That is equal to 10.816 divided by what is x bar? X bar is 6 into 100.
Into 100.
So 1081.6 by 6. Do the sum. Calculator, use this calculator. 1081.6 by 6.
It's coming 6,489.6, sir.
No, not multiply. Divide. 1081.6 divided by 6.
Yes, sir. It's coming 180.2.
0.2 what?
0.26.
0.266. So that is equal to 180.2627. This means it is almost equal to, approximately equal to 180.27. So that is the CV. Percentage you have to put. Okay. Don't forget to put the percentage. 180.27 percentage is coming.
Okay.
Okay. So that also very easy, man. What, you are getting all easy sums today. Okay, good. Today we will finish the class early then. And exercise 8.2. Okay. Print screen. I'm going to put this in your WhatsApp. Okay, now let's go back and now what we have to do? We have to do fifth sum. Fifth sum we have to do. Find the coefficient of variation of 24, 26, 33, 37, 29, 31. Now they are given numbers. So you have to find first the mean, x bar you have to find. Then you have to find SD. Then only you have to use the mean and SD. SD divided by mean into 100 and the find coefficient of variation. Okay. Everything you have to find out yourself. Only the numbers are given. Okay. Now, how to find the mean? Let us take assumed mean method. Assumed mean method we can take, in which case mean will be equal to, okay, mean is equal to sigma x of I by n. Okay, arrange in ascending order for assumed mean. We get 24, then 26, then 29, and then what? 31, 33, 37, 5, 6. So the n is equal to 6. Okay, then d of I is equal to x of I minus a. That you have to put now. Assume the mean what you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we take 31 or 29. Let us take 29. Assume mean 29. 24 minus 29 is minus 5. 26 minus 29 minus 3. 29 minus 29 is 0. 31 minus 29 is 2. 33 minus 29 is 4. 37 minus 29 is 8. Okay. sigma x of sigma d of I is equal to 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. 14, this is 14. This is minus 8. 14 minus 8 is how much?
Yeah.
How much is 14 minus 8? 6.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it is 6. Sigma d of I. Now we have to find sigma d of I squared. Why you have to find sigma d of I squared?
This.
Okay, now let us find x bar here. Sigma x of I also we have to find now. Sigma x of I. How much is sigma x of I? 37 plus 33. 37, 47, 57, 67, 70. 70 plus 31, 101. 101 plus 29, 130. 130 plus 26, 130, 140, 156. 156 plus 24, 160, 170, 180. This is 180. So x bar is equal to 180 divided by n is equal to 6. Okay, x bar is equal to 30. So mean you have found out. Now only thing you have to find out is sigma. Sigma is equal to root of sigma di squared by n minus sigma di by n the whole square. Okay,
Yes, sir.
assumed mean method. So we have found out sigma di. What you have to now find out? Sigma di squared you have to find out. Minus 5 into minus 5, 25. Minus 3 into 3, minus 3, 9. 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. 8 into 8, 64. Now you find the sigma of this. Calculate plus all this. You have to find plus. 64 plus 16, 74, 80. 80 plus 4, 84. 84 plus 9, 93. 93 plus 25 is 93. 103, 113, 118. So this is 118. So now you substitute. Sigma di squared is equal to 118. N is equal to 6 minus sigma di by n is nothing but 30. Sigma di by n is nothing but 30 squared. Okay, root of. 6 by n. Sorry, no. Sigma di is 6 by n is again 6. Okay, yeah, the whole square. So 118 by 6, how much is coming?
19.66, sir.
Okay, very good. 19.67 you should put. Minus 6 by 6 will become 1. 1 squared also 1. Okay. So that is equal to 18.67 root of. Find root of 18.67.
Okay, sir.
Root of 18.67.
So it's root symbol is not coming. So 1 minute, sir.
18.67 root.
The calculator, sir. Stop, sir.
Calculator stopped. Okay. Root of 18.67 is here. Okay. 4.32. Okay. So it is 4.32. That is equal to sigma. Now you know sigma. Now you know x bar also. So covariance is equal to standard deviation by x bar into 100. That is equal to 4.32 divided by x bar is 30 into 100. That is equal to 432 by 30. Okay. Calculate 432 by 30 divided by 30.
14.4, sir.
Correct. 14.4%. That's the answer. Very simple. See, what was the extra step involved in this thing? because they gave only the data, you should not be blinking. They have not given sigma nor mean, how to find out covariance. They have given you the data. From that, you can find the mean, and then you can find the sigma also. Standard deviation also you can find. So once you find the standard deviation and the mean, then you apply the covariance formula and get this answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you give you raw data, don't be blinking. Oh, formula is using sigma and x bar. Both sigma and x bar is not given. Then now I am to find. No, you are given data. From the data, you can find the mean. Mean is nothing but x1 plus x2 plus till x6 divided by 6. That is what 180 divided by 6 is equal to 30. You got mean. So you found out the mean. Then you have to find out from formula you have to use to find the sigma standard deviation. Okay, very simple. So you put the table, use an assumed mean method, okay, and get very simple data. Usually, unless you are very sure that no, the mean will be an integer.
Okay,
See,
sir.
mean is 4.32. It is not an integer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Integer means whole number. Mean will be 4 or 5. If you can see the data and you think that mean will be 3 or 4 or 5 or 15 or 20, then only you use the direct method of x minus x bar, xi minus x bar squared by n sigma.
Okay.
Otherwise, don't use this method. Use this other method of assumed mean. And if it is class data is given, use the class interval and step deviation method. Otherwise, use just assumed mean method. We are used here assumed mean method. That's all, very simple. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to post this also. So what we did, if some also done now, no?
Yes, sir.
Let us do 6 and 7 and see if we can finish 8. Otherwise, 8 you can do homework. All the 7
Okay, sir.
we can do. 8.2 fifth sum. Now let us do 6 sum we should do now.
Okay, sir.
So 6 sum also data is given x1, x2, x3 like that is given. Okay.
Okay.
N is equal to 8. Okay, that's given. So what you have to do, you have to arrange the data, find the mean, find the standard deviation, and then only you can find the x. You have to arrange in ascending order. 38 is first, then 40. Okay, then 43, 44, 46, then 47, then 49, then 53. N is equal to 8. Sigma x of I is equal to how much? We have to calculate. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 7, 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 4, 25 plus 4, 29. 29 plus 3, 32. 33 plus, no, sorry, 12, 19, 25, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 31 plus 5, 36. Okay, you got 360. Okay. Now, what is the next one you have to find? Now you can find mean. Mean is equal to 360 divided by 8. Because sigma x of I divided by n, that is mean. Okay. 360 divided by 8. How much you are getting? 180 divided by 4 is equal to 45. So x bar is equal to 45. Mean you have found out. Now next thing to find out is d of I is equal to x minus assumed mean. What will assume the mean? Mean assumed mean what again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Either you can assume 44 or you can assume 46. Okay, let us assume 46. 38 minus 46 equal to how much? Minus 8. 40 minus 46 minus 6. 43 minus 46 minus 3. 44 minus 46 minus 2. 46 minus 46 0. 47 minus 46 1. 49 minus 46 3. 53 minus 46 7. Right. Yeah.
Yes.
So sigma d of I is equal to how much? This one 7 plus 3 10 11. Okay, plus 11. Then all this you have to calculate. Minus 2 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 8 19. Minus 19 plus 11. So 19 minus 11 is 8, but this is minus 8. So you have to put minus 8 as sigma d of I. Okay, so your d of I minus 8. Then what you have to do? D of I squared you have to find now. 8 into 8, 64, 36, 9, 4, 0, 0, 1, 0, 9, and 49. Okay, 9 plus 9, 18, plus 1, 19, plus 4, 23, plus 9, 32, plus 6, 38, plus 4, 30, 42. 42. 4 plus 6, 10, 13, 13 plus 4, so 172. Okay, you got 172. Now, sigma you can easily find out. Sigma is equal to sigma p of I squared by n minus sigma d of I by n the whole square. Again, same form. D of I squared is equal to 172. N is equal to 8. Whole root of minus sigma d of I is minus 8 by n is equal to 8. The whole square. Okay. 172 by 8 is how much? Can you see use calculator?
Okay, sir. 172 divided by 8, sir. It's coming 21.5, sir.
Okay, 21.5. Minus 8 by 8 is equal to minus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 the whole square. That is equal to 21.5 minus 1. That's all. Minus 1 whole square will be 1. Okay. So that is equal to 20.5. Root of 20.5. Now what is sigma? Root of 20.5 you find out.
Coming 4.52.
4.52.
sir.
4.52.
52.
52. But 527 is coming.
Yes,
Third
sir.
number you have to see how to round off. So 4.53 you have to take. See, 4.527 it is coming.
Yes, sir.
4.527. If it is 4.524, you can remove that. But it is greater than 5, 4.527. If it is 7, you have to add that here. So it becomes 4.53. Okay, that is equal to sigma. Now what you have to find? Coefficient of variation is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. Use the formula 4.53. How much is x bar?
8, sir.
No. X bar is how much? N is 8.
Bar.
X bar is how much?
X bar, sir, 45.
45 by 45 into 100. That is 453 by 45. Find the answer, give calculator.
Okay. 45. It's coming 10.06, sir.
How you should round off? Again, you are not doing it
Yes,
correctly.
sir. 10.066.
066.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after that also one 6 is coming. So that 6 is greater than 5. So 10.067 you should give as answer. Okay. So covariance is equal to 10.067 percentage. If you don't put percentage, they'll cut marks
Yes, sir.
because the unit is percentage. Or you can also say this also you can round off and you can say 10.07 percentage. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Either way, but 10.067 is more correct. I think your textbook gives answer 10.07. Okay, this is the way you arrive at it. So what sum you finished? We finished 6 sums, man.
Yes,
Very,
sir.
very fast, very simple. Okay, let us paste this also. Don't delete off anything from your WhatsApp because
Yes, sir.
you need all this. That's why I am putting the sum number, exercise number and sum number and then giving so that you will have no confusion. Exercise 8.2, 6 sum this is.
Yes.
Okay, let us do the next one. 7 sum let us do now. I think we'll finish 8 sum also. If we finish this exercise, then we'll stop. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
many things we have done. See these fellows, they are doing interiors. They are doing interior work, the upper floor. Very stupid fellows, all the time making noise. Okay. Let us do 7 sum now. Exercise 8.2, 7 sum. Okay, there is 2 students, Satya and Vidya. Satya and Vidya are there. Okay. The mark score in 5 subjects of Satya is 460 and Vidya is 480. Okay, marks. And the standard deviation of the two are 4.6 and 2.4. Okay. Who is more consistent in performance? Who is more consistent in performance means who is not getting widely different marks. See, 5 subjects la one 35 just pass, one 100, 100, one 100, 335, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then got 170, something like that. Okay, that means very low mark and very high mark. This is not consistent. You understand what is consistent means? It's not consistent. In everything you got 90, 90, 90, 95, 95 like that. This is more consistent. Yeah, 270. Or all the subjects you got 95, 95, 95. This is very consistent. Who got more consistent? Vidya or Satya? How to do? You have to find the coefficient of variance or variation for both of them. Then only you can get that. Okay. Now n is equal to 5. Because why? They are telling the 5 subjects are given. Okay. So although mean is not given, you can find mean very simply by dividing the sigma x by 5. 460 by 5 in 45 it will go 9 times. One remainder 92. Okay.
Okay, sir.
X bar of Satya, x bar 1 or x bar of Satya is equal to 92. Same way, x bar of Vidya, you can find out 480 by 5. Okay.
Okay,
48 again will go 9 times, this time 30, 76. Okay. So
okay.
x bar of Vidya is equal to 96, x bar of Satya is equal to 92. Okay. Now you have found that out. Now you know x bar. From this, sigma also given. Okay. So
Okay,
coefficient of variation of, let us find first Satya. Satya I am putting yes. Okay. Is
okay.
equal to sigma s divided by x bar of s into 100. That is equal to sigma x is equal to 4.6 divided by 92 into 100. Okay, that is equal to 460 by 92. How much that is coming? 460 by 92. Calculator.
It's coming 5, sir.
Correctly 5, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is 5%. Coefficient of variation is 5% for whom?
Satya, sir.
Satya. Okay. Now let us find coefficient variation for Vidya. The sigma of Vidya by x bar of Vidya. Okay. Into 100. That is what sigma is given as 2.4. Then what we have found as x bar. X bar is 96.
Yes, sir.
96 into 100. That is equal to 240 by 96. How much is 240 by 96?
It's coming 2.5, sir.
2.5%. Okay. So this is sigma CV of Vidya. Who is having the lesser value? Coefficient of variation.
Vidya, sir.
Vidya only. So Vidya only is more consistent. The more the coefficient of variation, that means the more variation is there. That means the marks are widely varying. That is not consistent. Okay. But Vidya is consistently scoring high marks, not some low mark, then high mark, then low mark, then high mark, not like that. So consistently she is scoring high marks because CV of Vidya is less than CV of Sandhya. Okay, that is why, because now this is also done. Hey, 7 sum, we have done 7 sum also. Let us try 8 sum then. We have time, no?
Yes, sir.
We have time. Okay, we will do 8 sum and finish today. Otherwise, too much things. Saturday evening, you also will be very tired. Hmm? Let us try 8 sum. Usually 8 sum will be very difficult. Let us see how it is. The mean and standard deviation of marks obtained by 40 students of a class. Okay. 8, sorry. 8 sum.
Okay, sir.
The mean and standard deviation obtained by 40 students. N is equal to 40. Okay. Then mean is also given. Mean is given and standard deviation is given. In maths, 3 subjects: maths, science, and social science. Okay, mean is 56. Mean is 56, 65, and 60. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Standard deviation 12, 14, 10. Now, what is telling? Which of the 3 subjects shows highest variation? Which shows lowest variation in marks? So that means we have to find the covariance of all 3. And see where covariance is highest, maths or science or social science, where it is lowest, math, science or social science. That's all we have to do. Okay. So what you have to do? So let us do coefficient of variation for maths. That is equal to sigma 12 by 56 into 100. Correct.
Yes, sir.
That is 1200 by 56. How much is 1200 by 56? Can you tell from your calculator?
How much, sir?
1200 by 56.
1286. It's coming 21.428, sir.
21.428 means 28. You have to make it as 21.43. Okay, make it, sorry. 21.43. 21.43. That is CV1 maths. Then calculate CV for science. That is 14 by 65 into 100. 1400 by 65. Can you use the calculator and tell me 1400 by 65?
Okay, sir. It's coming 21.538, sir.
21.538. So you make it as 21.54. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now coefficient of variation for social science. That is equal to 10 by 60 into 100. That is equal to 1000 divided by 60. 100 by 6. How much is 100 by 6?
100 by 6. Coming 16.666, sir.
So how much that will be? 16.6?
60.666.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This 6 will round off. You round it off to 6 times. Okay. Which is the highest?
21.54, sir. Science.
This is the highest.
Yes,
Which
sir.
subject is that?
Science, sir.
So science variation is highest. For science. Which is the lowest?
Social science, sir. 16.67.
Variation is lowest for social science. That's all.
Yes, sir.
So we did a whole exercise, man. Like this only I want you to do. Very fast you have to work and finish the work fast. That is, maths is very easy. Only today we have been able to achieve something extraordinary. Okay, I want to congratulate you today. Don't forget today, we finished an entire exercise in a single day. One session we finished everything and we did it with pakka. Okay, like this only I want you to do your maths. Maths is like this, very easy. If you understand the concepts, very much calculation, everything you do, matter over. Okay, we will stop today here because you have done very well today. Whole exercise you have completed, so we will leave 10 minutes earlier. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, see you then. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy Sunday.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye ma.